Farida again. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I'm begging you, subscribe. In this channel, we have a bit of everything for everyone, from organic stuff to hair growth to skin problems. If you have a skin problems, and you just drop in the comment section, and give you every feedback. Or you can hit me up on my Instagram page, which is also my website, my website for my skincare products. So you can just hit me there, and I'll also answer you. So today we'll be talking about seeing under this. We'll be talking about what they don't tell you about organic skin. Yes. Now, organic skin, organic products. I'm so sorry. Organic products. What they don't tell you about natural organic products. Now, organic product is a healthy product to use for your skin, which is good. It's really fine. It's nice. It's okay. But if used excessively or for a long period of time, it becomes so harmful too. Not like so harmful, but it's also had its own effects on the skin. So because it's your skin, like I always tell people, your skin is your skin. You need to treat it. Like, I've been to the peak of fairness, like really fair, to a point of, you see this picture right here, that's me being fair. And I had then I got to a point I was really comfortable in my skin type. Now you should get to a point you're comfortable. Now let's go to the points. Let's go to point number one. Don't be in a hurry to use every organic skin whitening ingredients and products on your skin. I am reading from my book. Just in case I look down, you know that I'm trying to read from my book. Don't be in a hurry because you want to whiten your skin or lighten your skin to use very organic product for a long period of time. Like, I've seen people, just because they want to, you put all the whole white, you put Giga White, Sepia White, Snow White, skin-free milk, bleaching cream, half-cast white, tubes. It's just way too much. Now, if you keep adding that for a long period of time, it's going to affect your skin. Now, it may not have like an adverse effect right now. It's going to have like a future effect on your skin. So you need to be very careful what you put in your skin. That's what they don't tell you. They keep telling you, buy my skin, it's whitening and everything. No, when you get to a point you're comfortable with your skin tone, I really advise you to stay there. Just be comfortable there. All right, there's nothing in, I've used products where I've whitened my skin, and I got to a point where I was not really that comfortable with that. So I begin to skin tune my skin to the color. I'm very comfortable. Like right now, I'm comfortable with my skin tone. If I want to add the lighting, I can. Of course I can. I make them. But I am very comfortable with my skin type. Okay? Now, number two is use authentic products. Not everyone will tell you to use, no, I'm sure a lot of people, but when you go out there to buy stuff, you need to be very careful what you buy. Like, if you notice, Sepia White, Snow White, Giga White, Alpha Albertine, all those things, they have white, they're the whitish powder. Now, if you're not comfortable, if you're not very careful, if you're not careful, you go to this organic store, you buy products, you will not know the difference, because you don't know you don't know the difference. They're going to say, because these days they miss a lubo, you know what they call lubo, I don't know. This white is a flour. It's a flour. They mix white flour with this product, and you don't know, and you get to use it, and like, why am I not seeing result? It's because they mix something with it. So please be very careful with your skin, what you put on your skin. All right, I know you want to lighten up, you want to get a very healthy skin, but you need to be very careful what you put into your skin in order not to damage your skin. Okay, okay. Now, number three is let your skin rest. Not everyone will tell you to let your skin rest. They'll tell you, no, it's healthy, it's fine. It's in between all those Snow Whites, Sepia Whites, all those white now, whitening, 3 days rapid white. Let your skin breathe once in a while, all right? You can just give your skin 2 weeks, 1 month to breathe in between using all of those, because you can be using half-cast body wash, half-cast cream, and you're looking half-cast, and your skin is comfortable. These things do have adverse reactions later. They come like, you have you seen aged skin? Like this, like the picture on the screen. Have you seen aged skin? Like they the way they are, you just don't want to be there. All right? So that's how you're going to be if you don't, reduce how you put whitening on your skin. All right? What I normally do tell my clients is that my products, if you want a whitening product, I do make that. Okay, I'm not against that. I'm not against whitening. I love it. It's beautiful. But one thing is that when you get to a skin tone you're very comfortable with, you could move around, you're really comfortable, you love your skin, stay with it and don't go overboard with it. Don't just keep going and going and going just because you want to get to that peak, you understand, of whiteness. Okay, there's nothing there. All right. So make sure that when you're comfortable with that, you stick with it. Now, I do tell my clients that if I make you a whitening product, I'm making you a healthy whitening product. There's a difference, all right? There are lots of organic shop around that will just tell you organic stuff. I once witnessed a client. I went to a shop to get something. She also make organic stuff, and the lady was very specific, and she gave an ultimatum. Now she was like, I want to go for a wedding and I need to get whites in 2 weeks. Like, trust me, no matter how they tell you, except they mix all the whole concoction for you, that 2 weeks, it's going to damage your skin. That you're going to lighten up quite alright. It's going to damage your skin because the clients will not tell you they're going to add a little bit of oils that had hydroquinone to it, and just 0.5 or 1% of hydroquinone can still damage your skin. But they add this kind of oils that had. Do you know that some oils have hydroquinone? I'm not going to name them. I'm going to name them much later. I'm going to have like a very detailed things to stay away from, oils to stay away from while you're doing. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel, because it's going to be really, really interesting. I'm going to expose a whole lot of things so that you know what you're putting to your skin. Okay, so she came in and she was like, I needed a 2 weeks whitening cream and body soap, and the client was like 2 weeks, but she said okay, fine. She ended up adding oils that had hydroquinone to it. I was like, no, that's not this. She wants it. All right, and she's willing to pay anything for it. You get. So most clients will like, okay, I'll give you that, but they will not tell you what they'll put later, and you end up still using it. You get. So let's be honest. If you're doing this for yourself, be very careful. That's why we're putting this video out there. I'm putting this video out there to let you know that if you're doing this for yourself, make sure of course you're in control of what you put in your skin. So be very careful. All right. Now, remember to double check the ingredients when buying an ingredient or buying a soap or a cream. Even some products that pride themselves to be organic are not so organic. Yes, I said that with my full chest. Okay. Yes, they're not so organic. They're very harmful for your skin, and you need to be very careful what you put into your skin. I don't know how to say that enough. All right. So just be careful what you put into it. Double check it. Like I said before, I'm going to have a very detailed video of lots of things to avoid. Like when you see this product on, even if they tell you it's 0.5, even if they tell you 0. Whatever, run. Just leave it and run, because of course you're going to get fair. You're going to look good for a while, but it's not worth it. Later, it's going to damage your skin. So please go with something that is very comfortable. You're going to be comfortable in your own skin putting on, and in 5 or 6 years, you're still popping and looking really good. You get. That's what we're all about, all right? And lastly is, don't experiment with every single organic videos products out there. Don't experiment. Like, you see there are lots of people that will just put content out there in order to get more views, and they get it. And you today you want to experiment half cast white. Next is Filipino white, white now. In instant extreme whitening. Like, wow. Just be careful of what you put in your skin. Like, those are going to have adverse reaction in future. Now, what is going to, let me give you an example of what it's going to do to your skin. Now, when you stop using it, when you start using it, you buy it and you're looking good, and later you can't keep up with buying those products, your skin is going to suffer because it's already used to it, and you're overstretching your skin to lighten, you're over lightening your skin. Now, imagine, I'm just saying, imagine, which has happened actually, it's not just an imaginary story. Imagine someone who has really, really seriously bleached the skin and had an accident, and they had to, stitch the wounds up. That is going to have a problem because your skin are overstretched. You're going to have a problem with that. That's why you see sunburn, hyperpigmentation, pimples, reactions, a lot of insane reactions like that, like the picture on my screen. Please be careful what you put on your skin. It's not worth it, okay? You're going to like your skin for a while, but again, we're talking about forever. Your skin is your forever. I don't know how to say that to make it look very realistic. Your skin is your forever. It's going to stay with you forever. The soap is not forever, all right? Your skin is forever, so be careful what you put in your skin. So having said that, if you like this content, this information, please subscribe so you could get more amazing, more informative content like this, all right? Again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. If you have, and if you just did, you're the real MVP. Thank you. Have a great day. Be beautiful in your own skin. And I will see you on the next video.